welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you're old, keep doing what you're doing. I love you. Woo! Alright, so guys, today's video I'm gonna be showing you the struggles and the challenges and the fun of setting up the Neewer ring lights, 18 inches Neewer ring lights. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set that up. Just know that I struggled, but I endured. It's honestly, yeah, you see through the video, but this is me using the ring light right now. I already set it up, and let me just show you a little bit. But then when I go like this, I turn it off. Voila, it's off. And then so you can definitely tell that it's worked. I just want you to go share this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and do all that jazz. All right, so let's get right into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. Bye. Okay, so the box is really big. I mean, the outside box. So let's see what's inside. Guys, did I order 2 of them? What? La 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 la. Just let me sit down. So I ordered one ring light. He brought me 2. Cause okay, so there was like this thing where it said like there was like a gift. So I don't. Oh, I'm so confused. Why is there 2 of them? Anyways, if that one dies, I'll just use the other one. So let's see what we can do. Oh my gosh, I'm so surprised. How did I order 2? I don't remember ordering 2 of them. I don't even remember 2. Anyways, let's do this. Okay, I'm gonna put this one, the extra one, in here. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. It's so cute. Okay, we're going to put it here. Uh-oh. Maybe not. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is a disaster. From beginning to end. I honestly hate reading rules, like all these stupid guidelines. Okay, how do we do this? I don't really want to put on. So it comes with these ones or the white ones. This or white. I'm probably gonna do white because I don't think I mean, I'll try it out later, but don't know. So I'm gonna put it back in here. Okay, so how do we do this? Oh, I need.
Oh, it came with guys, look at this. This is so cute. Look at this. So these are the accessories. So it has this thing. What do you call this? Anyways, this little. What do you call them? Oh no, not Spanish. Not again. No way. What the heck? Okay, installation guide. So installation of salt. Well, I need a screwdriver. Oh my god. This is the best.
Stress, guys. Okay. Okay, so those are the things, and then it has, guys, I had to change because so when I got home I wore my dress from top to bottom instead of bottom to top, and so I was forcing myself through the arms, and then it like ripped, and so I put like a pin to just like keep it, you know, tight, whatever. And since then it's been snapping on and off, so it just snapped when I was filming. So I'm sorry if you see stuff you don't want to see. But right now I am going to Google how to put this thing on, because I have no freaking idea how to do it. Like, I am not kidding you. So what is it? Oh Lord, this is such a disaster. What is this? This is why I don't buy nice things, because I don't know how to use them. Okay, so this is the top. So there, this is how it is. There we go. I've seen this is the part that some people get confused with. Guys, okay, so I go like this, there, voila, guys, there. The only problem is I got two of them, so I don't know how that happens. I'm just trying to move. Okay, how come this thing keeps on flopping down? So then,
Two hours later.
like that, I guess. Ugh, this is so hard. Okay, so then I get this thing. I'm gonna push it down a little so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, so then I get this thing. I put it, oh Lord, oh there. I put it in. What's happening? Why do we buy nice things? Like, I don't understand. Okay. Hey. Okay. Hey. Hey. Whoa. So you go bend. You go bend just like this, eh? Oh. Oh, so I tighten with this thing. Ugh. This is too hard. Okay, so that's it. That's it, yeah. Alright, guys, so this is the thing. I hate how it has so many of these twisty thingamajigs. Like, just they put stupid. Okay, so this is the ring lights. Now we watch the video. Oh, what is this lady saying? Okay.
Lady, show us. How is she doing this so fast? Like,
And this is adjustable to yourself. You want it to be
yeah, I got that part.
for your cell phone, so you can have it this way, you can have it this way, this way. It has different.
Yo, guys, I don't think any of these videos are making sense. This guy is saying shit like this thing comes with, it's already attached. Yo, no, it's not attached. Like, I have to freaking do this stuff. Like, how the heck do I do I even put this thing in? Like, is this too big? Honestly. It clipped on, but this freaking thing needs to go. You stupid. Ain't that foolish? Guys, this is so annoying. Like, people make it look so easy, and like, it's not that easy. Okay. Okay.
One eternity later.
There. Stupid. You're trying to play me now? You're trying to play me? You're trying to play me? Okay, let's see where this one goes. Yeah. Who's the boss now? Who's the boss now? Hey, who's the boss now? Me. Who's the boss now? Woo! Ah, I pinched myself. Gross. Okay, let's keep going. This is probably the most annoying thing I've ever done in half of my entire Yo, snap. I'm still trying to freaking figure out how to put in this stuff. Like, Lord, why me? And then I have this little tiny remote. So how do we turn this thing on? How do we turn you on, baby? The little remote working, guys, but it won't turn on. I'm so confused. Okay, so I hope you're in. Let's try. Yes! Oh my gosh, guys, look at that! It's gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Just look. This is just wow. Okay, wait, let me turn it off. Okay, wait, you can. This is how bright it goes. Ooh. 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 Wow, this is too bright for me. I can't. It's like blinding, literally blinding us. And I have all the lights open. Like, it lights up. Wow. It lights up the whole room. Like, this was worth it. Except I don't know how I got two of it. Like, how? Anyway, so this is how. There. Oh my gosh. I know I look bad, but like, what if I'm like actually popping? Like, it's gonna be lit. Excuse my bed like that. Honestly, sorry, but guys, like, okay, let me turn it off so you can see the lighting, guys. So this is my light. The lighting in my room is horrible. Like, it's horrible. But if I turn on the curtains, so I'm gonna face the camera this side. if I turn on the curtain, see. So this is like the natural lighting. So if I was recording, I'd probably face the camera, the camera without the ring light. I would face it here, and then I would be recording this side. But since I have my ring light, so if I close these blinds, this is the lighting. This is just the natural lighting, guys. This is so sad. Look at this. This is the natural lighting, yo. And then we put on this baby. Woo! Who there be this? Who there be this? Who there be? Who there be? Who there be? Who there be this? 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 Who there? Guys, I'm so excited. This makes me so excited. What's up? What should be our next video? What should it be about? Sorry, I'm sweaty. What should be our next video be about, guys? Like this. Jehovah, you are the most high. Jehovah, you are the most high. God, Jehovah. Okay, guys, so how can I rate this thing? Setting up is kind of frustrating. Actually, setting up is really frustrating. Like, don't let nobody tell you it's easy unless you're really good with this stuff, unless you've gotten a ring light before. And it's not, honestly, it's not that complicated. But like, if you've never done a ring light in your whole life, like I haven't, then it's really hard. Like, trust me, it's just, I think it's just kind of confusing. You know what I mean? But if I was to rate the actual ring light, probably I would say a 10. Setting up would probably be like a 5, because I didn't like setting it up. Like, I watched the videos, I did all I could. Look at how sweaty I am. I did all I could, and it was just freaking hard. But so setting is probably like a 5 for me, guys. This is dim. This is like dim, and off, and then woo. All right, so guys, today we're gonna be talking about dating. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just kidding. Or I have to play some music now. Okay, let's play some music because I just can't. This is just too good. This is too cute. This is too, and look what, I don't even have to like use my hands to point. I can just go like hi, and boom. And let's go. We set it up. Woo. Hey. Oh, we set it up, yo. We set it up. Woo. Yay. Hey. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know how bad I really did and how bad I struggled, because I really struggled. Like, this was bad struggling. Bye. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye. Oh my gosh, Lord, don't come soon. I have to use this thing. I have to use it. All right, guys. Bye.